come on in the kitchen. What I'm fixing to cook right now is, it's that side dish for whatever your protein is. And you see this served a lot at fancy restaurants. So,
what is it?
Broccolini. Broccolini. I don't get the fascination with broccolini. I would rather have just standard broccoli, and I love broccoli, but this has never been high on my hunger list. All right, now I've got my water to boil in, and I've got some salt in it, and I'm gonna let that boil for about 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna put it in the ice bath real quick so it will quit cooking, because we're actually gonna cook it a little bit more, but not a whole bunch. Okay, so like 3 minutes. Might as well put that in. Mikey will eat those pieces since he's on his diet. Ain't that right, Mikey? All right, they've been in there about 3 minutes, y'all. And we're putting them in that ice bath so that they'll retain that beautiful green color. And then we'll drain them. Let me get Michael serving out. There we go. Can't too much see. Okay, so we're going to move this out of the way. And we're going to change pots. So in this pot, I'm going to put a few tablespoons. Let me move this. I think this might be blocking. So I'm going to go ahead and let that be draining real quick like. I think that's long enough in the ice bath. It is a pretty vegetable, but I just find I'm just going to pour the rest of that ice water over it. Put it back in here. Let it drain. And in this pot, I'm going to put a few tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, 3. All right. So I'm going to add a few garlic cloves sliced real thin. And, you want to be careful with the garlic because it will burn in a flash. And now I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. So I'm going to keep my eye on this real close. So y'all can see our garlic is a light brown. So now I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of salt, a lemon. There's not a whole bunch of juice in this lemon. I mean, it's got a real thick skin on it. Great time of day. Great time of day. All right. I'm going to turn that down some because I sure don't want that garlic to burn. So now there's still ice on that one. We'll have to kind of shake the ice off. So this does not require much cooking at all, y'all. We just want to, bring the broccolini back to heat. Okay. Broccolini. Ooh, that red pepper gives it a little kick, y'all. Have a little piece, Michael. And there's your piece. That's your serving. But isn't that pretty? Really is pretty.
That's good.
I know. Thank you. I do realize why chefs use this when they're wanting to make a pretty plate. because it does make a pretty plate.
I like it too.
Mm-hmm. Delicious. Loving best dishes, y'all. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.